Introduction. Hey, connect to World Buddies. Today, let's dive into the powerful word, help. It's not just about assistance. There's more to this term. Let's extend our understanding and support. Meaning. So, help is the act of providing assistance, support, or aid to someone in need. It's a fundamental way we connect and care for each other. Usage. Imagine offering help to a friend moving to a new place, or seeking help when facing a challenge. Examples. Think of a teacher offering help to a student struggling with a lesson, or a neighbor helping with chores during a busy time. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's help. A simple yet impactful word, right? Different uses. Ever heard of helping hand? It's a metaphorical expression for someone who provides support and assistance when it's needed. Conclusion. If the idea of help resonates with you, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more uplifting word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.